Anterior cranial fossa. Middle cranial fossa. Posterior cranial fossa. There are 8 sutures that we have to know.
I put it on right. Hold on.
My best friend is in pharmacy school at USC.
Does not want to go in, okay? Go in! Ready? You don't have to video. Okay, got it.
Okay. So 8 sutures. We have the coronal suture,
Which is this one.
sagittal suture,
Right here.
lambdoidal suture, intermaxillary suture.
Right here.
No, intermaxillary is on the top.
Intermaxillary suture.
Internasal suture.
It's right here.
The median palatine suture.
Median palatine suture. Suture, sorry.
And the transverse palatine suture. And then there's 4 points on the frontal bone. We have the frontal squama.
Right there.
The squama is a flat surface. The supraorbital foramen.
Right here, right?
That's where cranial nerve 5 comes through. The superciliary ridges are these. This is where the eyebrows sit. And the glabella.
Right here.
Glabella is between the eyebrows.
Okay, so the supraorbital foramen was right
It's
here?
right here, yeah.
It's not this whole thing like so.
No, this is the superciliary ridge,
Yeah.
and then the supraorbital foramen.
Okay.
And the cranial nerve 5 comes through the supraorbital foramen. The nasal bones, there's 2 nasal bones that make up the bridge of the nose. There are 2 parietal bones that form the sides and the roof of the cranial cavity.
So, 1, 2 parietal bones.
And then on the parietal bone, there's temporal lines, which are, I think these,
No, it's
correct?
this.
This right here.
Oh
It's
yeah,
on the
you're right.
parietal
The
bone.
line, temporal line, right here.
And that's attachment sites of the temporalis muscle. And then there's 11 points on the temporal bone that we need to know. And the temporal bone makes up the inferior lateral aspects of the cranium and part of the cranial floor. So we need to know the mastoid process, which is right here.
Yes. Mastoid process.
The petrous portion.
Oh,
Take off the
inside.
top of the head.
Petrous portion is
The
this.
rocks. The internal acoustic meatus.
Let's see this one.
That's external, but we need to know that one.
Internal
Internal
is this one.
And that's where cranial nerve 8.
So this is internal, this is external acoustic meatus.
The zygomatic process. The styloid process.
The spike.
The carotid canal, which is where the internal carotid artery comes through.
Carotid canal was right here, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, that whole.
And maybe we should do it on the other side too. Carotid canal. It's right here. Right here.
The jugular foramen.
Right here. Right here.
And cranial nerve 9, 10, and 11, and the internal jugular vein come through
Go
there.
through there. Yes.
The stylomastoid foramen
Right here. And right here.
and cranial nerve 7 is
7
there.
comes through there.
The mandibular fossa,
Which was
this part,
Oh yes.
and that's your temporomandibular joint. You think about TMJ,
TMJ.
temporomandibular joints, and the temporal squama, which is the flat surface.
Yeah, so right here.
Then there's 6 points on the occipital bone. We have the foramen magnum, where the spinal cord passes through. The external occipital protuberance,
Just right here.
and the ligamentum nuchae attaches here. The occipital condyles, they articulate with the atlas. The condylar fossa,
You said it was right here, correct? I think it was, yeah.
I believe so.
Yes, condylar fossa was right here. Right underneath the occipital condyles.
What about that? And then the hypoglossal canal is holes. Cranial nerve 12 comes through there.
Right here.
And the nuchal lines
Right here.
is where attachment of muscles. And that is page 1.